Good day everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to show you our lovely car, Isuzu Crosswind 2005 automatic transmission. Let's check this out. So this car is equipped with 2.5 liter diesel engine and with the engine of 4JA1. So kilala natin ang 4JA1 engine na legendary engine. So napaka-reliable nito, madaming parts at madaling i-maintain. So this car is equipped with 9-seater. Sobrang ganda pa ng mga upuan, walang mga punit at talagang alagang-alaga talaga siya. Kung makikita nyo, sobrang lawak pa ng trunk space niya. Pwede pang kargahan, pang business, or kung ano-ano pa mang services. Ang mileage nga pala nito ay 146,000 km. Tested on long drives, never kami tinirik. Sobrang ganda ng sasakyan na to. Very clean papers and ready to transfer anytime. At pag-usapan muna natin ang mga issue nito. So ang issue lamang nito guys is unregistered and minimal dents and scratches, which is normal on second-hand car. PS, we are not a car sales agent. This is our personally owned Isuzu Crosswind. The asking price is 365,000, negotiable upon viewing. PM or call me.